Hello friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today here we will discuss the diagnosis of pregnancy. Okay, that nothing but the sign and symptoms for clarifying or for detection of the pregnancy. Okay, that nothing but female is pregnant or not. Okay, we have to check or we have to rule out for that what kind of sign and symptom we can see. Okay, that is called as a diagnosis of pregnancy. Okay, the diagnosis of pregnancy include the various kind of signs, that nothing but presumptive signs, probable signs, and the positive signs. Okay, these are the signs which indicates the particular woman is pregnant or not. Okay, if we have a particular positive signs, okay, that denotes the woman is pregnant. Okay, तो जो भी हम यहाँ पे हम एक सीरीज वाइज में पर्टिकुलर साइन को देखने वाले हैं. ओके, पर्टिकुलर फीचर्स को देखने वाले. ओके, तो वो साइन एंड फीचर वो कौन से पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी में आता है, वेदर इट कम इन द प्रिजम्पटिव साइंस, ओके, वेदर इट कम इनटू द प्रोबेबल साइन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, वेदर इट कम इनटू द पॉजिटिव साइन. ओके, देन आई विल inform you. Okay, so first of all, the first symptom, that nothing but the cessation of the menstruation. Okay, so as if we want to check the woman is pregnant or not, okay, we have to rule out. Then we have to check their menstrual cycle. Okay, so what we are rule out in the particular menstrual cycle, first we are confirming the menstruation. Okay, तो उस पर्टिकुलर फीमेल को menstruation या फिर menstrual flow आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, देन दैट वी हैव टू चेक. ओके, तो अल्टीमेटली दैट इज कॉल्ड द सीजेशन ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुएशन. तो ये पता होना चाहिए कि पर्टिकुलर मेंस्ट्रुएशन क्यों स्टॉप होता है. तो अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर फीमेल अगर प्रेग्नेंट है, ओके, यानी कि अगर आप मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल आपने डिटेल में पढ़ा होगा. ओके, तो वहाँ पे आपको पता होगा कि कोई भी पर्टिकुलर फीमेल अगर प्रेग्नेंट होगी उसके पहले क्या होता है कि कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम जनरेट होता है, जो कि क्या सीक्रेट करता है, प्रोजेस्टेरोन एंड एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन को सीक्रेट करता है फॉर द बैलेंसिंग ऑफ द प्रेगनेंसी. ओके, तो वहाँ पे एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन जो सीक्रेट होता है वो क्या करता है, इट डीएक्टिवेट्स और इट स्टिमुलेट द हाइपोथैलेमस टू डीएक्टिवेट्स और नॉट टू सीक्रेट द एफएसएच एंड एलएच टू द पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. ओके, और वहाँ पे हमारे ब्लड में एफएसएच एंड एलएच हार्मोन सीक्रेट नहीं होता है, एंड दैट्स वाई वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि मेंस्ट्रुएशन यानी कि मेंस्ट्रुअल फ्लो, कोई भी मेंस्ट्रुएशन वहाँ पे नहीं होता है. ओके, अल्टीमेटली व्हाट आई वांट टू से दैट द प्रोजेस्टेरोन एंड एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन का जो पीक हुआ रहता है, ओके, फॉर द प्रेगनेंसी पीरियड ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी, ओके, दैट अल्टीमेटली डीएक्टिवेट्स आवर हाइपोथैलेमस टू डीएक्टिवेट द secretion of the FSH and LH to the pituitary gland. Okay, and ultimately menstruation flow or menstruation will not be happen. So that is called the cessation of the menstruation. So due to increase estrogen and progesterone hormone production by the corpus luteum, तो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि सीजेशन ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुएशन यानी कि मेंस्ट्रुअल फ्लो जो होता है वो रुक जाता है, वो स्टॉप हो जाता है. ओके, हाउएवर इट मे एब्सेंट इन द सम केसेस लाइक द, तो ड्यूरिंग द pregnancy, during the lactational amenorrhea, that nothing but absence menses. Okay, during the lactational amenorrhea यानी कि during the lactation period of the female, okay, child has delivered by the particular female, but during the lactation period, okay, वहाँ पे प्रोलैक्टिन हार्मोन अल्टीमेटली ब्रेस्ट ग्लैंड में बढ़ा हुआ रहता है, एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर इंक्रीज or excessive amount of this particular prolactin hormone which is flowing in the body, okay, that stimulate our hypothalamus again to not to secrete the GnRH, and ultimately if GnRH will not release, okay, by hypothalamus, that do not activates our pituitary gland to release the FSH and LH. Okay, and ultimately the menstrual cycle will not be occur, okay, will not be happen. So that is nothing but during the lactational, okay, lactational period, that is nothing but lactational amenorrhea, and in that period the menstruation is ceased, the nothing but cessation of menstruation is stopped. In threatened abortion, it may be the cessation of menstruation. Okay, and here is one nothing but Hartmann's sign, that nothing but during the first trimester, okay, these are the cessation of menstruation is come under in the presumptive signs. Okay, presumptive sign is nothing but we are not confirming whether woman is pregnant or not, we are not confirming. Okay, this is called as a presumptive sign. Okay, so slight bleeding at the expected time of the menstruation really occurred in the first 3 months. Okay, during the first trimester, as the month is passes, okay, as month passes away, so during the menstruation time, okay, menstruation time is come under the पर्टिकुलर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल। ओके, तो जिस पर्टिकुलर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल का उसका जो भी टाइम पीरियड रहेगा मेंस्ट्रुएशन का, ओके, उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड में थोड़ा सा स्लाइटली ब्लीडिंग, जिन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं, स्पॉटिंग बोलते हैं। ओके, तो स्पॉटिंग के फॉर्म में एक थोड़ी सी slight bleeding may appear in the first trimester of the pregnancy. Okay, so that is nothing but cessation of the menstruation. The second particular symptoms we can see in the female, okay, if they particular pregnant, okay, so morning sickness, okay, nausea, vomiting, especially in the morning session we are seeing in the female. Okay, the nauseating and vomiting sensation or vomiting feeling in the morning. Okay, then we can confirm or we can presume the particular female is pregnant or not. Okay, usually disappear after the third month, as I said. Okay, it may be due to the allergy to HCG. Okay, HCG, that nothing but human chorionic gonadotropin, okay, which is secreted by our placenta, which form in the particular third trimester. Okay, so ultimately it is also a particular presumptive sign. Okay, the sign or the symptoms which we are seeing in the first trimester condition, that is all included in the presumptive sign. Okay, and the sign which come under in the second trimester, that is nothing but they are probable or slightly they are positive sign for the pregnancy. Okay, so ultimately what we have seen in the morning sickness is nothing but the symptoms may appear in the particular female, which can denote or which can correlate with our pregnancy, that is called as a presumptive sign, which nothing but nauseating, vomiting feeling, especially in the morning. Okay, usually disappear after third month, and allergy sensation वहाँ पे इनिशियली स्टार्ट भी हो सकता है ड्यू टू दिस पर्टिकुलर HCG. Okay, and the frequency of the micturition, okay, the urination frequency, they get decreased during the first trimester. Okay, we have to evaluate, we have to rule out the pregnancies occur or not. Okay, whether the female is pregnant or not, we have to rule out. So for that we have to see their urination. Okay, if the urination or urine frequency is increases, okay, urine frequency if they get increases, then we can rule out or we can presume the particular female is pregnant. Okay, because the particular congestion feel by our urinary bladder by the यूट्रस. ओके, बिकॉज जो यूट्रस के अंदर ही पर्टिकुलर फिटस या फिर पर्टिकुलर जो बेबी है वो ग्रो होने वाला है. ओके, तो उस पर्टिकुलर डेवलपमेंट के लिए, फिटस के डेवलपमेंट के लिए यूट्रस के अंदर ही पर्टिकुलर फिटस डेवलप होने वाला है, मैच्योर होने वाला है. फॉर दैट यूट्रस की थिकनिंग, यूट्रस की जो लाइनिंग होती है वो ग्रो हो जाती है, एंड अल्टीमेटली दैट ग्रोथ पार्ट ऑफ द यूट्रस पुशेस और कंजेस्ट, वहाँ पे कंजेशन, एक वहाँ पे प्रेशर पर्टिकुलर फील होता है यूरिनरी ब्लैडर को, एंड अल्टीमेटली ड्यू टू दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रेशर अप्लाइड बाय आवर यूट्रस, ओके, अप्लाइड बाय आवर प्रेग्नेंट यूट्रस, ओके, up to over the urinary bladder, okay, that is nothing but congestion, and by this particular congestion the frequency of the micturition they get increases during the first trimester. Okay, as the trimester passes, as the month wise passes, okay, in the second trimester we will see, okay, that nothing but the uterus की जो ग्रो हुई थी, okay, जो कंजेस्ट कर रहा था हमारे यूरिनरी ब्लैडर को, okay, तो अल्टीमेटली सेकंड ट्राइमेस्टर में होता है कि जो यूट्रस की जो ग्रोथ होती है वो एब्डोमिनल कैविटी के टुवर्ड्स हो जाती है. ओके, एंड दैट दे डू नॉट कंजेस्ट. ओके, एंड वहाँ पे अल्टीमेटली एक जो प्रेशर पहले मिल रहा था वो प्रेशर अल्टीमेटली नहीं मिलता है. ओके, तो when we will see the second trimester's presumptive signs, okay, then I will discuss there. Okay, ultimately in the first trimester, in the presumptive signs we can relate with the frequency of the micturition, they get increases. Okay, and if the frequency of the micturition get increases, if we feel the particular movements, okay, over the abdominal region, okay, and if we feel the uterus थोड़ा सा बल्गी अगर रहता फील होता है, तो then we can ultimately denote the particular pregnancy, or ultimately we can correlate or we can say that particular female is pregnant. Okay, this frequency of the micturition usually disappear after the third month, as I said, because uterus की जो ग्रोथ होती है वो अल्टीमेटली पेल्विक कैविटी में जो ग्रोथ होती है वो सिर्फ फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर के तक ही रहती है. आफ्टर द फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर यूट्रस अल्टीमेटली वो टूवर्ड्स द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी के टूवर्ड्स हो जाता है, और जो प्रेशर फील हो रहा था यूरिनरी ब्लैडर को ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर दे गेट डिक्रीजेस, ओके, एंड अल्टीमेटली द मिक्चुरेशन और द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मिक्चुरेशन which is increase in the first trimester they get balance in the second trimester of the pregnancy, okay. So if the frequency of the micturition get increases we can presume the particular pregnancy, okay. The breast symptoms, that nothing but enlarges, we will see the in the further slides, okay. Appetite change, that nothing but craving for certain type of food like the sour foods, okay. The female try to consume more and more sour foods because sour foods releases or sour foods help in the synthesis of the irons, okay, irons RBC synthesis, because the iron and RBC needed to particular fetus also, okay, and that's why the supplement of iron and supplement of RBC get increases, okay, and ultimately that particular supplement we can form, okay, we can synthesize inside the body, inside the female's body by consuming the more and more sour foods, okay, sour fruits or sour food, okay. So ultimately the female more and more craving for certain type of foods and refusal of other type of foods, okay. If we talking about the breast signs, what kind of breast sign we can see, okay, that nothing but evident in the primary gravida, okay. The sign we are what we are seeing, okay, in the primary gravida, especially in the primary gravida, okay. Increased sign and vascularity, जो ब्रेस्ट जो होता है, मैमरी ग्लैंड जो होता है वो इनलार्ज हो जाता है, ओके, वो इंक्रीज साइज का हो जाता है, ओके, वो इनलार्जमेंट हो जाता है, उसमें इनलार्जमेंट देखने को मिलता है. वैस्कुलरिटी यानी कि जो उनके वेसल्स होते हैं, उनकी जो ब्लड वेसल्स की जो ब्रांचेस होती है वो बढ़ जाती है, ओके. डायलेटेड विजिबल वेन्स वी कैन सी बाय ऑब्जर्विंग और बाय particular inspecting the particular mammary gland, particular breast gland, okay. We can see the dilated visible vein by our naked eyes, okay, by inspecting that particular breast gland, okay. Then increase the pigmentation of the nipple, जो निप्पल होता है जिसके अंदर लैक्टिफेरस डक्ट की ओपनिंग होती है, और जिस पर्टिकुलर निप्पल के थ्रू पर्टिकुलर बेबी सक करता है एक पर्टिकुलर मिल्क को लेने के लिए, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ निप्पल. वो निप्पल क्या होता है, इंक्रीज पिगमेंटेशन, ओके, पिगमेंटेशन जो होती है उस पर्टिकुलर निप्पल की वो इंक्रीज हो जाती है. एंड देयर इज अ particular primary, there is a formation of secondary areola as well, okay. Areola is nothing but it is a tissue around the nipple, okay, that is nothing but that is called as a areola, okay. So along with this particular primary areola we have the formation of the secondary areola as well, okay. And in the particular primary areola, what is the areola? Areola, it is a connective tissue which is around the nipple, and due to this particular pregnancy and during the pregnancy time we know that the secondary areola is forming, okay. There is a formation of secondary areola. So by seeing that particular breast enlargement, dilated visible vein over the breast gland, okay, enlargement, pigmentation of the nipple, the formation of the secondary areola, okay. And by seeing the Montgomery tubercles, okay, Montgomery tubercles is nothing but the dilated sebaceous glands, okay, which may found over the primary areola, okay. So these are the glands which is present beneath the tissues, okay, which is overlying or which covering the nipple, that is nothing but areola, okay. And if they get dilated, that is called as a Montgomery tubercles, okay. So it develops, it appears during the pregnancy time. So we can confirm or we can presume the particular female is pregnant, okay. These are the presumptive signs, not a confirmatory signs, not a probable sign, not a positive signs, okay. These are the presumptive signs of the pregnancy, okay. Then expression of the colostrum, if we compress their breast gland, then there is ejaculation of the particular milk, okay, that is called the colostrum, okay. So expression of the colostrum we can confirm by pushing or by compressing their gland, okay. तो वहाँ पे अगर कोई भी मिल्क की इजेक्शन होती है तो वी कैन कंफर्म द पर्टिकुलर फीमेल और पर्टिकुलर woman is pregnant. Okay, so by seeing this particular sign over the breast, okay, the breast enlargement, the vascularity, okay, dilated visible vein, the formation of the secondary areola, okay, around the primary areola. Okay, areola is a connective tissue around the nipple. Okay, and in the pregnancy period there is a secondary areola formation. So by seeing the dilated visible vein over the breast gland, okay, by expressing the colostrum, okay, by formation of the secondary areola, we can confirm or we can presume the particular woman is pregnant. Okay, if we're talking about the uterine signs, okay, uterine sign is nothing but what we have to inspect, what we have to observe. We have to observe the uterus of the that particular woman. Okay, the felt by bimanual examination. Bimanual examination in the we can confirm or we can see that particular sign by our hands. Okay, that is called as a bimanual examination. Okay, so size we can calculate. Okay, size we can felt by our hands. Okay, अगर यूट्रस की नॉर्मल थिकनिंग, ओके, यूट्रस की जो नॉर्मल साइज थी अगर वो इनलार्ज हो जाती है तो वी कैन प्रिज्यूम द पर्टिकुलर फीमेल इज अ प्रेग्नेंट. ओके, द कंसिस्टेंसी सॉफ्ट हो जाती है. ओके, ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी टाइम द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ द यूट्रस इज गेट सॉफ्ट. शेप जो होता है वो ग्लोबुलर हो जाता है. ओके, then this particular sign is nothing but it is a probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, what we have seen previously that all come under in the presumptive signs. Okay, what we are seeing now in the uterine sign is nothing but the Hagar sign. Okay, which ultimately is nothing but the जो हम अल्टीमेटली जो एक वहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर जो अगर वहाँ पे एंटीरियर फॉर्निक्स इज नथिंग बट, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं हेगार साइन इज नथिंग बट द लोअर यूट्राइन सेगमेंट सॉफ्ट. ओके, विच वी कैन एप्रिशिएट द पर्टिकुलर टर्म इज LUSS, लोअर यूट्राइन सेगमेंट सॉफ्ट. यानी कि हम क्या करते हैं, हम बाय मैनुअल एग्जामिनेशन कर रहे हैं. हम क्या करते हैं कि यूट्रस के अंदर बाय मैनुअली, ओके, वहाँ पे स्पैकुलम के थ्रू या फिर हम पर्टिकुलर स्पैकुलम के थ्रू हम वजाइनल की जो कैनाल होती है ओपन कर देते हैं और अपने हैंड से एक पर्टिकुलर जो फिजिशियन होगा, जो गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट होगा, ओके, वो अल्टीमेटली क्या करेगा, पर्टिकुलर वो अपने वो अपने फिंगर्स को इंसर्ट करेगा इनसाइड द फीमेल्स यूट्रस. ओके, और अल्टीमेटली वो फीटस के यूट्रस के फीमेल के यूट्रस के अंदर वो अपने हैंड्स को पुट नहीं करेगा. वो क्या करता है कि वजाइनल कैनाल और सर्विक्स के बीच में जो फॉर्निक्स होती है, जो एंगल्स होता है, ओके, वो एंगल में दोनों साइड से एंटीरियर फॉर्निक्स जो होते हैं, ओके, एंटीरियर फॉर्निक्स के पास वो क्या करेगा, अपने दो फिंगर्स को एंटीरियर फॉर्निक्स के रीजन में क्या करता है, वो वहाँ पे प्लेस करता है. ओके, एंड उसके जो दूसरे हैंड्स के जो पर्टिकुलर फिंगर्स हो गए, ओके, वो क्या करता है आउटसाइडली, ओके, वो क्या करता है आउटसाइड से क्या करता है, वो कंपेयर करता है. कंपेयर मीन वहाँ पे जो वो हैंड पर्टिकुलर वो उसने हैंड को एंटीरियर फॉर्निक्स के रीजन में जो रखा है एंटीरियरली, ओके, और वजाइनल कैनाल के अंदर जो रखा हुआ है, ओके, वो आउटसाइड से टच करता है. एंड इफ दे गेट फील सॉफ्ट देन वी कैन कन्फर्म, we can say the probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, ultimately what you have to remember, if we are getting the lower uterine segment soft, we can confirm the pregnancy. Okay, we can say the probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, so Hagar sign is nothing but the detection of the lower uterine segment soft. If we get the lower uterine segment soft, then we can sure the probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, the next sign is the Palmer sign. Palmer sign denotes the uterine contraction felt by the bimanual examination. Okay, then cervical and vaginal sign. Okay, these all three signs which is present or we can assure, okay, which call as a probable sign. Okay, which ultimately nearby shoring to the pregnancy, that is nothing but probable sign. Okay, probable sign. Again, the probable sign of the pregnancy is not nothing but the confirmatory sign of the pregnancy. Okay, the probable sign of the pregnancy is nothing but it is a nearby the pregnancy. Okay, not a confirmatory pregnancy, it is a nearby detection, nearby test of what is nothing but the probable sign. Okay, the probable sign is nothing but these all three are the probable sign which denotes the woman is pregnant. Okay, the leukorrhea is nothing but increase vaginal discharge. Okay, increase the white discharge by our vagina. Then Chadwick sign is nothing but bluish color discharge. Okay, bluish discoloration of the vagina and cervix, that is nothing but Chadwick sign. Okay, that appear only if woman is pregnant. Okay, then ultimately we are confirming, we are nearby to our confirming to our pregnancy. Okay, तो नियर बाय जो हम पहुंच रहे हैं कि पर्टिकुलर प्रेगनेंसी को कंफर्म करने के लिए, दैट पर्टिकुलर साइन, दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया, दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज वी कॉल एज अ probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, then Chadwick sign, leukorrhea, Goodell sign, that all denote the probable sign. Okay, that nothing but the, it is a just near to the pregnancy. Okay, it is a just near to the confirmatory pregnancy. Okay, यानी कि अल्टीमेटली अगर ये साइंस अगर रहते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर फीमेल के अंदर, ओके, तो देन वी कैन डेफिनेटली अश्योर, ओके, देन वी कैन डेफिनेटली अश्योर कि पर्टिकुलर फीमेल जो है वो प्रेग्नेंट है. ओके, देयर इज एन 80 to 85% चांसेस ऑफ द प्रेगनेंसी वी कैन से. ओके, देन Goodell sign is nothing but the softening on the cervix of the vagina. Okay, softening of the cervix and the vagina, that is called the Goodell signs. Okay, which may appear at the 4 weeks or 6 weeks. Okay, so these are the 3 signs which we can see in the cervix and the vagina. Okay, then investigation for this, again the pregnancy test, these are the positive signs. Okay, which nothing but the confirmatory test. Okay, the confirmatory signs of the pregnancy is a pregnancy test. Okay, pregnancy test is nothing but the confirmatory test or absolute test or positive signs for the pregnancy. Okay, so ultimately these are the investigation test, that is called the pregnancy test. Okay, there are various way we can detect or we can test our pregnancy. Okay, so if the female is pregnant, okay, or ultimately pregnancy टेस्ट अल्टीमेटली ये क्या है, ये कंफर्मेटरी टेस्ट ऑफ अ प्रेगनेंसी. ओके, अल्टीमेटली जो प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट जो है वो एससीजी हार्मोन के थ्रू हम करते हैं, और एससीजी हार्मोन वो प्लेसेंटा से सीक्रेट होता है. प्लेसेंटा जो अल्टीमेटली जो होता है वो 2 वीक्स या 3 वीक्स सेकेंड मंथ या 3 मंथ के पीरियड्स में बनता है. ओके, एंड आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द प्लेसेंटा. Okay, and ultimately we are seeing the sign and symptoms of the first trimester. Okay, and if we see the pregnancy test in the end of the first trimester or nearby the first trimester, we can and if we are getting the positive sign of the pregnancy test, we can definitely assure, we can 100% assure the pregnancy. Okay, that nothing but the positive sign of the pregnancy or absolute sign of the pregnancy or definitely sign of the pregnancy. Okay, the pregnancy test is nothing but the detection of the SCG hormone in the serum or in the urine. Okay, by examination or by can detection or by can observing their serum. Okay, and by can in the urine sample. Okay, if we are getting that particular SCG hormone in the urine sample or in the serum sample, then we can definitely assure, we can definitely absolute, then we can assure, okay, the particular female is a pregnant. Okay, so there we have a different variety or different way we have for the checking of the pregnancy. Okay, so one of the ELISA pregnancy slide test, immunologic pregnancy test. Okay, if we're talking about the uses of the pregnancy test, that nothing but diagnosis of the normal pregnancy. For the diagnosis of the normal pregnancy, diagnosis of the misprognosis abortion. Okay, for the diagnosis of the ectopic pregnancy. Okay, diagnosis on the follow up of vesicular mole and choriocarcinoma. Okay, that nothing but these are the benign tumors. Okay, which is present over the uterus. Okay, the uterus की कैंसरस सेल्स ग्रोथ होती है. ओके, दैट इज नथिंग बट वेसिकुलर मोल. ओके, जिन्हें हम मोलार प्रेगनेंसी भी बोलते हैं. एंड कोरियो कार्सिनोमा. ओके, दिस आर द बिनाइन ट्यूमर which is characterized by our uterus. Okay, so that can also detected by our pregnancy test. The pregnancy test detect the confirmation pregnancy. Okay, normal pregnancy. It detects the misabortion. Okay, it diagnose the ectopic pregnancy and it diagnose and follow up of a vesicular mole and the choriocarcinoma. Okay, this ultrasonography ultimately these are also the positive sign of the pregnancy, also called as the absolute or a confirmatory sign of the pregnancy. Okay, ultrasonography, we have a two-way, transvaginal sonography, okay, or you can say the transvaginal USG, transvaginal ultrasonography, okay, and second one is abdominal ultrasonography or abdominal abdominal USG, okay, transvaginal USG or abdominal USG, okay. So by doing a ultrasonography, we can check or we can find out the different this particular signs, okay. Gestational sac at 4 weeks, one fetal pole, okay, one fetal pole. If we found the one fetal pole, if we found the two fetal pole, if we found the fetal heart activity, then definitely we can assure the female is pregnant, okay, because fetus has grown up inside the particular uterus of the female, okay. And ultimately what we are getting by this particular ultrasonography, these are the features of the feature of the fetus, okay, feature of the fetus, okay, not by mother, okay. So ultimately we can assure, we can confirm the pregnancy by ultrasonography, okay. Abdominal sonography, okay, whatever we have seen in the transvaginal sonography, okay, that we detected after the 1 week later, okay. Auscultation of the fecal heart sound, okay, fetal heart sound, this also absolute or a positive sign of the pregnancy. These are the confirmatory sign of the pregnancy. What we have seen, the mainly three signs of the pregnancy, that is a pregnancy test, okay, which denotes the positive sign of the pregnancy. The second one is nothing but ultrasonography. Third one is the auscultation of the fetal heart sound, okay. If we can auscultate the fetal heart sound, okay, then we can definitely assure, then we can say these are the positive sign of the pregnancy, okay, यानी कि जो pregnant female है वो pregnant है, okay. So diagnosis in the second trimester, okay, whatever we have seen the previously at the end of the previous slide, that all sign appear or present at the end of the first trimester, यानी कि first 3 month of the gestation, first 3 month of the pregnancy, okay. And female को पता नहीं है कि उसकी third month जा चुकी है, and ultimately if a physician want to know the female is pregnant or not by detecting or by observing this particular sign what we have seen previously, okay, at the end of the first trimester, we can assure the particular pregnancy, okay. The diagnosis in the second trimester, that nothing but the in the 13 to 28 week, okay, 13 to 28 week, that is called as second trimester, okay. There is a completely absent of the cessation of the menstruation, that is nothing but called as amenorrhea, okay. Morning sickness and urinary symptom gradually decreases, okay. During the initially period of the pregnancy, there is a presence of the morning sickness or a urinary frequency maturation get increases, okay. And as the pregnancy passes, okay, as the trimester passes, as the month passes, the morning sickness or the cessation of the menstruation, that all sign get completely vanished, okay. Then quickening is nothing but the perception of the fetal movement by the itself that particular pregnant woman, okay. Pregnant woman can self ultimately perceive the fetal movement, okay. Then ultimately these are also a particular positive sign of the pregnancy, okay. This also called as the absolute or confirmatory sign of the pregnancy, okay. Quickening यानी कि perception of the fetal movement by the pregnant woman, okay. Then abdominal enlargement, okay. This abdominal enlargement again it is not a positive sign, because abdominal enlargement, it may be the sign of the gastric distension, it may be the sign of the peptic ulcer, okay. There is a number of factors, a number of problems, okay, which may result in the abdominal enlargement, okay. So we have to rule out whether this enlargement is due to the fetus or else, okay. So if it is a by fetus, then we can show the pregnancy, okay. Then maternal physiological changes of the pregnancy, okay, during the second trimester of the particular pregnancy, okay. So these are the signs, okay. The breast changes become more evident, okay. Breast changes what we have seen previously in the first trimester, the vascularity, dilated visible vein, the formation of the secondary areola, the Montgomery tubercles, okay. Okay, whatever we have seen, the increased pigmentation of the nipple, they get more evident. Okay, whatever the sign and particular features we have seen the in breast science, okay, they get more evident. Okay, उसका जो विजिबली होता है वो मोर हमें देखने को मिलता है, यानी कि जो भी हम अभी हमने देखा वैस्कुलरिटी, जो भी हमने अभी सिम्टम्स की बात की, जो भी साइंस की बात की, वो भी और अच्छे तरीके से हो जाता है. ओके, द यूट्रस इज एब्डोमिनली फेल्ट. ओके, यूट्रस जो होता है एब्डोमिनली फेल्ट होता है, जो कि पेल्विक कैविटी में था, बट अभी क्या होता है वो यूट्रस एब्डोमिनली फेल्ट हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये भी क्या है सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर में हो रहा है. सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर में जो बेबी है वो अल्टीमेटली ग्रो अप हो गया है, और जो यूट्रस है वो हमारे एब्डोमिनल कैविटी में पहुंच चुका है. अभी वो कंजेस्ट करेगा किसको, अभी वो डायफ्रागम को कंजेस्ट करता है, और जो फीमेल होगी वो डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीथिंग की अगेन एंड अगेन उसको प्रॉब्लम रहती है. ओके, बिकॉज the uterus reaches up to the abdominal cavity and it pushes our diaphragm. Okay, and as the diaphragm pushes, okay, it compress our lungs. Okay, and as lung get compressed, okay, the more and more oxygen what we have inhaled, that is not proper utilized. Okay, and female complaints for the pain in the chest, okay, difficulty in the breathing, apnea, these all features we can see in the second trimester period. Okay, because in the first trimester of the pregnancy we have seen the congestion feel by our urinary bladder, by our uterus. Okay, but uterus as usually grow up in the second trimester, it reaches up to the abdominal cavity, and it pressurize our diaphragm. Okay, and ultimately diaphragm pushes the pushes the pressure over the lungs, and lungs not able to inflamed or exhaled properly. Okay, and that's why the difficulty in breathing felt in the second trimester of the pregnancy. Okay, then next one is nothing but Braxton Hicks contraction. Okay, Braxton Hicks contraction is nothing but एक पर्टिकुलर फीमेल को, ओके, पर्टिकुलर फीमेल को क्या होता है, इरेगुलर और नॉट दैट मच पेनफुल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, what I said, nothing but irregular, not that much pain contraction. Usually you all know कि जो मसल जो एब्डोमिनल की जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होती है वो जब पर्टिकुलर बेबी मैच्योर हो जाता है, और जब डिलीवरी के टाइम वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि कॉन्ट्रैक्शन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके, ड्यूरिंग डिलीवरी द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन गेट स्टार्टेड, बट बिफोर द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, ओके सॉरी, बिफोर द डिलीवरी द टाइप ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज द Braxton Hicks contraction. Okay, which is irregular during the labor period, वहाँ पे regular, okay, और painful contraction होता है, but during this particular pregnancy time in the second trimester, okay, which denotes the positive sign of the pregnancy. Okay, that is nothing but Braxton Hicks contraction. Okay, that nothing but intermittent painless contraction detected by our abdominal examination. Okay, it is also non confirmatory signs. Okay, sorry, it is a non-confirmatory sign, it is a probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, we have seen the confirmatory sign of the pregnancy is 3 only. Okay, fetal movements felt by the doctors, fetal movement felt by the particular pregnant woman. The second one is the ultrasonography, we can detect the baby. Okay, if the any kind of fetal movement or any kind of pole is visibly, okay, in ultrasonography, then we can assure the pregnancy. Okay, then what we see in the pregnancy test. Okay, these are the 3 tests only that confirm the pregnancy. Otherwise whatever all we have seen in the first trimester, that all in the that presumptive signs, and ultimately what we are seeing mostly, okay, that all is nothing but the probable sign. Okay, so Braxton Hicks contraction, this also a probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, so intermittent painless contraction were detected by abdominal examination. Okay, then ballotment. Okay, ballotment is again, it is a features or signs, okay, which is present in the second trimester. Okay, that ultimately which is also a probable sign of the pregnancy. Ballotment is nothing but, it is a nothing but particular returning of the fetus. Okay, when uterus is pushed with the fingers. Okay, so ultimately if we apply at the bottom of the uterus, okay, if we apply the pressure, or if we apply pushing pressure, okay, at the bottom of the uterus, then fetus slightly थोड़ा सा वो ऊपर की तरफ चले जाता है. Okay, and if we release our hands, okay, by smoothly, okay, we can assure or we can get is nothing but कि जो fetus जो अभी ऊपर गया अभी just नीचे आ रहा है. Okay, तो उसका ऊपर जाना और नीचे आना वी कैन फिल्ड बाय आवर हैंड्स. ओके, तो अल्टीमेटली दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द बेलाटमेंट एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द बेलाटमेंट एग्जामिनेशन. एंड अल्टीमेटली this also a probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, so Ballotment examination, we have a two type of Ballotment examination: internal Ballotment examination and external Ballotment examination. Internal is nothing but the by inserting our two fingers, inserting our fingers inside the vaginal canal at the anterior fornix region. Okay, and हम अपने बाहर के एक हैंड से यूट्रस के एक पर्टिकुलर वहाँ पे जाएंगे. ओके, एंड अल्टीमेटली जो एंटीरियर फॉर्निक्स है हमारा, ओके, जो भी हमने हैंड्स की जो फिंगर्स हमने वजाइनल कैनाल में जो डाली है, ओके, और उसमें डालने के बाद अगर हम फिटस को थोड़ा सा ऐसे अपवर्ड देंगे, उसको अगर ऐसे अपवर्ड मूवमेंट करने के लिए अगर पुश करेंगे, ओके, देन वी कैन फील, ओके, बाय आवर हैंड व्हाट वी हैव पुट इनसाइड द वजाइनल कैनाल. ओके, वी कैन फील द जो फिटस हो रहा है वो किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज की मूवमेंट हो रही है. ओके, वी आर नॉट कन्फर्म हियर विथ दैट पर्टिकुलर फीटस. ओके, वो फीटस है या फिर कोई ग्रोन मास्क है, वी आर नॉट कन्फर्म. दैट्स व्हाई दैट ऑल इंक्लूडेड इन द प्रोबेबल साइन ऑफ द प्रेगनेंसी. ओके, तो इंटरनल बेलाटमेंट एग्जामिनेशन वी कैन कन्फर्म द returning of the fetus. Okay, when we apply a pressure, when we push the uterus. Okay, so by inserting our fingers at the region of the anterior fornix we can assure the particular returning of the fetus. And by externally, okay, by externally as well, if we apply the pressure, okay, by externally if we apply the pressure by or if we pushes the uterus, okay, then we can felt outside, we can felt externally as well. Okay, that is called the external belatment examination. Okay, palpation of the fetal parts and palpation of the fetal movement by obstetrician at 20 weeks. Okay, so that is nothing but is a confirmatory sign of the pregnancy. Okay, auscultation of the fetal heart sound at 20 to 24 week of the Pinard's fetal stethoscope. Okay, this is the Pinard's fetal stethoscope. Okay, then auscultation of the fetal heart sound at 20 to 24 weeks in the second trimester of pregnancy. और fetal heart sound हमें डिटेक्ट होता है, that can definitely assure the presence of the pregnancy. Okay, so what we have seen till now, we have seen the presumptive sign of the pregnancy, probable sign of the pregnancy, and positive sign or absolutely or confirmatory sign of the pregnancy. Okay, in the presumptive sign we have seen the sedation of the periods. Okay, we have seen the morning sickness, we have seen the frequency of the micturition get increases. Okay, then we have seen the okay, so these all the breast enlargement. Okay, we have seen the breast particular sign and features. Okay, that all included in the presumptive sign. What we have seen in the second trimester mainly, okay, mainly the particular returning of the fetus when uterus get pushed. Okay, that is nothing but Ballotment examination, internal and external examination. Okay, this also included in the probable sign. Okay, then Chadwick sign, that is nothing but bluish color of vagina and cervix. Okay, that also denotes the probable sign of the pregnancy. Okay, then third one is what we have seen, the Godless sign. Okay, this particular sign we have earlier seen. Okay, Godless sign is nothing but the softening of the cervix. Okay, so these all signs, and the last one is nothing but Hagar sign. Okay, the Hagar sign is nothing but the lower uterine soft segment. Okay, so ultimately these are the four signs, that is nothing but the Ballotment examination, Hagar sign, Goodell's signs. Okay, and last one is nothing but our जो भी एक पर्टिकुलर साइन है. ओके, तो इफ दिस साइन इफ वी आर गेटिंग, ओके, देन वी कैन डेफिनेटली अश्योर 80 to 85% कि पर्टिकुलर जो फीमेल है वो प्रेग्नेंट है. ओके, तो बाय दिस वी आर कंक्लूडिंग द टुडेज क्लास. होप यू ऑल द बेस्ट. ओके, एंड आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. ओके, and if you have any kind of query regarding this particular video or regarding any of my video, you can definitely ask me in comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you guys.